Alright, been here again for TD5 Northwest. Another day working on my Landrover. Hopefully today we'll get the driver's side finished off and then make a start on the passenger side. Right, so this side's all done. Sealed it all up there. So we got to put her back together. All sprayed up, rust protect. Some sealant on there. Not sealant, fucking seam seal. All coated nicely. Come in here. Can't see much, but no holes now. All like seam sealed, rust protect on there. I ain't going again. Not going through this crap again. Don't be pulling through. Ready? Yep. Right, so got all the welding done. Forgot to film an outro the other day, so I'm filming it now. So anyway, so it's a bit hard to show now. Everything, tyres are on and everything. All that panels in. All that's welded up, sprayed up now. It's all sorted. And then that's the truck back together. Ready for an MOT.